Did you know that Cleopatra's favorite perfume was so powerful, sailors could smell it long before her ship appeared on the horizon? Perfumes have always had a magical way of captivating people. And today, the art of perfume making is more exciting than ever. From exotic flowers to rare woods, creating the perfect scent is like crafting a personal masterpiece. Ready to learn how your favorite perfumes are made? Let's dive into the fascinating world of scent creation. Number 1. The power of raw materials. To make a perfume, the first step is selecting the right raw materials. Whether it's flowers, spices, or woods, each one plays a special role in creating a unique scent. For example, roses and jasmine give soft floral notes, while sandalwood adds depth. Fun fact, it takes about 10,000 pounds of rose petals to make just 1 pound of rose oil. That's why quality ingredients are so valuable. Now, here's a tip. Don't be fooled by labels like fragrance oils online. Most of these are made for candles, not perfumes, and they won't give you that luxurious scent. Stick to suppliers that sell raw materials specifically for perfume making. This is where the magic begins. Number 2. Extracting essential oils. So, how do you get those beautiful scents out of flowers and plants? This is where extraction methods like steam distillation come in. It's a process where steam passes through the plant material to capture the essential oils. A little secret, steam distillation isn't just for flowers. It's also used for extracting oils from things like citrus peels and herbs. If you're trying this at home, know that it's not just about getting a good smell. The quality of the extraction process determines how pure and long-lasting the fragrance will be. You could say extraction is the heart of the perfume making process. Number 3. The role of synthetics. Did you know not all perfume ingredients come from nature? Synthetics are just as important. Modern perfumery relies on synthetic molecules like iso-E super and ambroxan. These molecules help perfumes last longer and smell more consistent. Here's something interesting. Synthetics also allow perfumers to create scents that don't even exist in nature. If you're mixing your own perfume, don't shy away from using synthetics. They give you the ability to craft something truly unique and often more affordable. Plus, they're environmentally friendly as they reduce the need to harvest natural resources. Number 4. Blending your perfume. Now comes the fun part, blending. Think of this as mixing colors in painting, but with smells. Start with a simple combination of top, middle, and base notes. For example, citrus oils like bergamot are great for top notes because they hit you first but fade quickly. In contrast, base notes like sandalwood or patchouli stick around much longer. The trick is to blend little by little. Use sample bottles and don't be afraid to test different ratios. It's like making your own recipe, where the right balance makes all the difference. Pro tip: write down your blend formulas to recreate them later. Number 5. Dilution and balance. Perfume oils are very strong, so before using them, you need to dilute them with something like perfumer's alcohol. This step is super important because it ensures the perfume isn't overpowering. You might be surprised to learn that even high-end perfumes are often 80% alcohol and only 20% fragrance. As a beginner, don't forget to test your perfumes on scent strips first. This helps you understand how the perfume evolves over time, from that initial spritz to the final lingering scent on your skin. It's like tasting food as you cook. It guides you to perfection. Number 6. Top, middle, and base notes. A good perfume unfolds in layers, and these layers are known as top, middle, and base notes. The top notes are what you smell immediately, like citrus or fresh herbs, but they don't last long, just a few minutes. The middle notes, or heart notes, kick in after, giving the perfume its main character. Rose or lavender are popular middle notes. Finally, the base notes, like musk or vanilla, are what stay with you for hours. Here's a secret. The base notes are the ones that give your perfume longevity, so don't skip on them when blending. They're the foundation of any good fragrance. Number 7. Perfume concentration types. You've probably heard terms like eau de toilette or eau de parfum. These refer to the concentration of fragrance oils in a perfume. Eau de toilette has around 10% fragrance and is lighter, while eau de parfum has about 20%, making it richer and long-lasting. Here's a tip. If you want a subtle daily scent, go for eau de toilette. But if you need something for a special occasion, eau de parfum is your best friend. And a fun fact, higher concentration perfumes not only last longer, but they can also react differently on your skin throughout the day. So test your perfume for a few hours before deciding if it's the right one for you. Number 8, testing your blends. Once you've blended your ingredients, it's time to test. Use blotter strips or paper to get a whiff of how your perfume smells as it dries. But here's the secret. Don't just smell it once. Perfumes change over time. Give it a few hours to see how the top, middle, and base notes evolve. It's like watching a movie unfold. A practical tip. After testing on paper, always test it on your skin, because everyone's skin chemistry is different. What smells amazing on one person might not work the same on someone else. It's all part of the learning process. Number 9, packaging your perfume. You've made your perfect blend. Now what? Time to package it. Perfume is delicate, and light can cause it to break down faster. That's why perfumes are often stored in dark or opaque bottles. If you're making perfumes at home, use dark glass bottles to protect your masterpiece. Another insider tip. Always label your bottles with the date and the ingredients you used. Over time, some perfumes age and smell even better, but only if you've kept track of what went into them. Think of it as aging wine. You'll want to know what vintage it is. Number 10, patience is key. Perfume making is an art, and like any art, it takes time. Don't rush the process. Sometimes you'll need to let your blends sit for a few weeks before they reach their full potential. This is called maceration, and it allows all the ingredients to mix and settle into their final scent. A little known fact, some of the world's most famous perfumes were perfected over months or even years. So if your first blend doesn't turn out exactly how you imagined, don't worry. Keep experimenting and refining your technique. The reward is a fragrance that's uniquely yours. And there you have it, the magical journey behind crafting perfume, where science meets artistry. Ready to create your own signature scent? Keep experimenting, and who knows, your blend could be the next Cleopatra-worthy fragrance. Thanks for watching.